How's it going, everyone? This is LightningDude42 and I'm here to do another reaction video with you. Now today we're going to be reacting to a YouTube group called the NONcredibles. Also, this is a really popular YouTube. This used to be a popular YouTube poop, I think. It was made by Emperor Lemon, but right now he's known as Emp Lemon because of Viacom copyright strikes, all that shit. Also, this video also has 4 million views. Yeah. Anyways, let's get started. 3, 2, 1, play. Emperor Lemon presents. Nope. The NONcredibles. I don't know if I really liked the Incredibles when I was a kid. Oh, what the? What? The hell? What? Where's that pumpkin from? What the?
Skinner? He's a disruptive influence, and he openly fucks me in front of the class. That's what she said. You face
Oh, what the? Oh, wait, Ernie. Oh. Oh, God. That had hurt.
Strobe light.
Huh? Kool-Aid.
Just getting a drink. Free. Again. Alright. Had your drink? Had your drink? Now, I want you to. I know. Come.
Oh, gross. Oh, wow. So what?
Darn you. We can't blow you.
The building was coming down
What?
anyway.
What?
It was on fire.
What?
I'm back.
What? You knocked down a 9/11.
What? 9? What did I say?
I'm not happy, Bob. Not happy. Ask me why. Why? Why are you unhappy? I'm the boss. Okay, so take us through a day in the
Like a
life of
boss.
Well, the first thing I do is talk to corporate. Bruce Memos.
Aw.
Saying we shouldn't help our customers? Yes. We're supposed to help people. We're supposed to help. We're supposed to help people. I'm thirsty. Mesh. Together. I mean, by cooperative cause.
What the? Pillow bear?
That man out there. He is getting great. Stop right now, or you're fucked. I
What?
couldn't think of a more horrible job if I wanted to. And you have to do it. You have to. Or I'll fire you. Do you understand?
Oh, He's turning Super Saiyan. Oh.
You have entered power drive. Oh yeah!
Oh.
Blackout in the sewer!
Balls.
My name is Raj.
Oh.
Time for dinner.
Quiet, I'm watching my iPad.
What the hell? Stop it. Oh. Oh. Oh my god.
Metal ass. Oh my back.
What is it? Who are you? What do you want?
Who's that? Was that Admiral Agmar?
It's bigger, bitch. It's better. Too much for Mr. Incredible.
What? What the?
My name is not.
Oh, ew. That's disgusting.
We ain't found shit. Mr. Incredible terminated.
Oh, oh. Terminated. Oh, Schwarzenegger. That's fine. Smart. Spider-Man. Xbox One.
Oh, well. Oh, Snoop Dogg. Little greedy.
What the?
Enough is enough! I have had it with these motherfucking snakes
Oh,
on
solid
this
snake.
motherfucking plane! I don't know what's happening to me. Wait a minute. I just lit a rocket. Rockets explode!
Boom. That's it. A YouTube poop by Emperor Lemon. Software used Sony Vegas. The Incredibles movie. Boss. Oh, excuse me. The end. Okay. What is gonna happen? Well, nothing? That's it? Okay. Okay, so that was The Uncredibles by Emperor Lemon. Or Emp Lemon, I should say. There's also another video like this. It's called The NONcredibles, which I'll be reacting later in the future. So yeah. Alright, until next time, this is LightningDude42 signing off.